Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna play Wizard Alchemy. I saw it blowing up, so I'm gonna play it. Not gonna lie, this game reminds me of Forge. Definitely reminds me of Forge. Gold and some berries from and if you like, subscribe, share or comment. I'm a small time YouTuber. Okay, let's see. So what can I even make? Hope I'll make something good. Not gonna lie, I'ma change my avatar. Christmas is over. Get a better view. Still practicing the drive. This video is definitely because I have work to do after this. Perfect. Oh no. Game harder than expected. This definitely reminds me of Forge. This game's actually pretty sweet. Not gonna lie. Ooh, a potion. So what do I do now? Ice spikes. Do I gain a skill? Okay. Okay, this game's actually goated. I'm gonna lie. My internet's a bit bad because the Philippines has been constantly getting blackouts or brownouts if you understand Filipino. How do I... Much better. Signal's not that big. Okay, this is not that good. I like this better. Just gonna explore and stuff. So, if I drink another potion, do I still get this skill? I want that exact. Okay, wait, there's a dash. Okay, let me try this again. Not this game's cooked. Not gonna. Didn't mean to say that. I meant to say I'm cooked. Yup! I give up. This is my last attempt. Wait, actually worked. I can't even get this. Goodness. If the motherbird's watching, don't tell. How did I get goblin fingers from that? Makes no sense. There was an egg there, not a finger. Kinda confused. Just me, or is there something glowing? Where's this the bush? I ain't afraid of you. That's good. Now time to craft something. Hope I make something good. One goblin finger. One. Don't know what's that called, but okay. And I'm praying right now. 12% chance. Not gonna lie. This is gonna be probably the last portion I make before I end the video. Wait, there's a skip button. Okay, I barely made that. How? Not gonna lie, this game kinda makes no sense, but I like it. Wait. Was I supposed to press the skip or not? Oh, I'm cooked. What kind of potion is this? I'm gonna just sell it. How to sell a potion? Face, but you don't have a face. Might be a glitch. Yay, I have money. Money, I say money. Okay, now how do I get out? Help! Please help! Oh, there we go. Is that a giant mushroom? Is that crazy? Did I get it? Wait, I'm in the sea! Anyways, guys, this is my video. Kinda short, but it's pretty good. Just kidding, I think it's horrible. And I bet no one will like and subscribe. You can comment. Please just... What kind of thing is this even? Withered mushrooms. I just feel it in my bones. The forge instinct is kicking in, finding secret rooms out of nowhere. there's something in the bag. Wait! What did I just found? What did I just find? Very interesting. Is there a drowning system? Or am I just the first one to find this? Until I am lost. I'm under the map. Like, what kind of... Devs, if you see this, fix this. And I'm lost. I'm very lost. I'm a lost boy. To do that. Accessories. Race! Okay, grinding time. Do I get any free rolls? Oh yes, we do. Please. I wanna be something like good. I'm an elf! I'm an elf! Base movement speed. +3 jump height. +10. Pretty good. The ancient and mysterious race possesses a sharp magical perception. I'ma get the legendary tomorrow. Why? I'ma try this. Something big or something. Just kidding, I have 5 words. This is gonna end my video because I don't know how to get out. Goodbye guys. I look freaky. What? I look freaky as hell. Oh nah.